Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Happy Thanksgiving, happy holiday season. Come on in, check it out. So guys, we are currently here in a town center celebration. First order of business on this Thanksgiving Day is a Starbucks beverage. Let's head in, let's grab one. So today, guys, we have everybody. We got the whole Medling World crew on this Thanksgiving Day. And before we head in, I just want to kind of give you a little look around. Today's vlog is just a hangout. It's just a day to be thankful. Thankful to our subscribers as we are in our hometown, our current hometown, Celebration, Florida, which we absolutely love. It's a beautiful day. Weather-wise, it's a bit cloudy, but it's like 70. It's so comfortable. But we wanted to let you guys know that we have some upcoming vlogs. Actually, we will be going to, our plan is to go to Disney. Yeah. To do the Festival of Holidays, all of us tomorrow afternoon, evening. Yeah. So that vlog will be coming up. Yeah. Also, we will be doing a vlog here in Town Center. I don't want to give too much away. This is a little sneak peek, guys. But you can see the decorations up. They got the Christmas music playing. So what we did is, I know in the beginning of the vlog, I originally said first order of business is Starbucks, but what we did was we ordered it on the app. That way, we could start our vlog kind of, it's just a hangout vlog. It's nothing real exciting today, but I know people do enjoy checking out.
And mostly it's, we are thankful.
It's a thankful vlog, and thankful for all you guys that are watching right now during your holiday. Yeah. And we will ask everybody to please subscribe. Maybe you've been watching for a while, right, Roberta? Yeah. Maybe you watch because we put vlogs out all the time, but you just haven't hit the button. And we're going to go grab our drink. But it does help us when you subscribe to our channel. Helps us grow. As now, I think we are at 13,700 subscribers. Pretty cool. Just to show you a little bit of the Starbucks. It's a regular functioning Starbucks. Very popular here. I think it's open pretty much every day of the year, so you have a little bit of seating out here. I'll pop in quick. Let's see if our drink's ready. See if we have any friends hanging out, any Medling World friends hanging out today. Well, they actually open at like 5 a.m. every day. Look at this. I think that's Jake's. What'd you get, Jake?
Strawberry acai lemonade. Jake says it proper.
I was just going to give Jake's props. Well, he is half Brazilian, and he does say acai properly. And we're waiting on our other one. Jake, one other thing people should do is follow us on our Instagram. Medling World Instagram, guys. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do a story or a story now and a reel. We kind of give you little sneak peeks of what's going on, so you get to see what's some upcoming vlogs. So please, we're trying to build up that our Instagram. But I do want to know, Jake. Jake, hold on for a minute. Let me see something here. Oh, it does say cheers. Well, it is kind of a nice, colorful, festive drink. But, Jake, how is the drink? How is the acai?
You really taste
lemonade?
The strawberry, but that's it.
So, not the greatest, but refreshing?
Yeah, it's pretty good, but it doesn't taste really the acai or the lemonade.
Oh. I don't like the sounds of it. Maybe they put too much of the flavoring in. We're waiting on Roberta, guys, but I do want to give you a little sneak peek of the tree. Oh, I like to hear the Christmas music. Very festive. Here comes the one and only Roberta. And Jake is a little disappointed with his drink. He says it tastes mostly just like strawberry.
Yeah,
I'm not going to say like he doesn't like it, but he wants that acai. But anyway, what did we get?
White chocolate mocha.
Roberta, I think we do have to give a little sneak peek of the tree around the corner. What do you think? Just a sneak peek, because again, officially everything down here will start Saturday the 29th?
I think so.
My days might be incorrect. I think today is the
27,
28, 29. But just to give you a look. Something different this year too, guys. The skating rink will be around the corner, but we're going to bring it all to you when it's official.
Just a sneak peek.
But this is just a sneak peek.
Yeah.
Hang on, no, don't get too excited yet. Quick look. Looks the same as last year, I think, offhand. Gotta wait for the vlog coming up. This weekend, probably Sunday morning, this vlog will be out. Because it's not official yet. And then we'll be doing the now snowing event. The snow will be here. The tree will be lit. There'll be carriages with the horses. We're going to show you the ice skating. We're going to show you everything that's going on around here. To know that the New York Bakery Boys Market is open. I have a couple vlogs from here. This is one of my favorite places for sandwiches. But what I really love are their breakfast sandwiches here, guys. I'll actually put a link to a video I did, I want to say a couple months back. These guys are awesome. This is actually like being up in the northeast part of our country. It is delicious. It is amazing. It is awesome. Those clouds look kind of freaky, don't they? Actually, the breeze is picking up. Tomorrow, only a high... Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Only a high of 65. But that's cold for down here.
It is.
But it's going to be beautiful to be at the park. It will feel festive. As I said, we're planning.
Planning.
Things change, but we are all planning.
Because depends on our schedule, work schedule.
Tomorrow afternoon, late afternoon into the evening to be at Epcot tomorrow. Hey, if you're going to be hanging out at Epcot, have a look. We'll say hello to us. But Roberta, it'll be, the temperature is going to drop a little bit, but it'll feel like a holiday. That's what I like about it. Oh, and I'm going to test this drink out before we end the vlog.
Good? Good, isn't it?
Oh, that one's very good. On a nice Thanksgiving morning. So, guys, just like I said, just a quick vlog, just saying hello, giving you a little bit of update. It is starting to rain, as I just said, the sky, but it hasn't rained here in days.
Yeah.
So, the rain is needed. But we'll just end the vlog on that. Just a quick update.
But thank you. You know, we are very thankful for, let's start like, you know, family, friends, and
Absolutely.
People that watch us, and they always stop to say hello to us.
We love that.
My family also in Brazil, our family here that's away from us, Connecticut,
Arizona, all over the country here.
Well, you know, especially our friends and everybody that watch it. So thank you very much. We are very thankful that you guys are always with us.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
And one other good thing is today, Jake had such a great suggestion. We were thinking we should go out to dinner right on Thanksgiving, and we're saying where are we going to go, and Jake said, why don't we just have it at home?
Yeah.
Like, a very simple, like, yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
So we just popped out to grab a drink. Now we head home and have our dinner together. And we're making a lot of stuff. It's fun. We're having fun. Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!